बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तो गाइस आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है एवोल्यूशन ऑफ मार्केटिंग। देयर आर सेवरल फैक्टर्स दैट पार्टिसिपेटेड रोल टू एवोल्यूशन ऑफ मार्केटिंग लाइक नंबर 1 चेंज इन कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर एंड ऑफ द मास मार्केट, नंबर 3 मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट फिलोसफीज, नंबर 4 इवॉल्विंग व्यूज़ ऑफ मार्केटिंग रोल। और आगे हम देखते हैं एवोल्यूशन ऑफ मार्केटिंग। चेंज इन कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर। Many major marketing shifts during the last few decades that have shaped marketing in the 21st century. There is a view among professional marketers that there is no longer the substantial product loyalty that exists over the last few decades. Product and brand loyalty many argue has been replaced by something more to a consumer decision that is based on the absence of a better product or service. In addition, there are major changes in the way customers look at market offerings. During the 1980, customers were optimistic, and in the early 1990s, they were pessimistic. Later in the 1990s, consumers appeared rather optimistic, but still continuous at time. The following chart demonstrates some of the major shifts that have occurred to the present. Increasing, it is clear that while the 4Ps product, price, promotion and place have value for the consumer, the marketing strategies of the 21st century will use the 4Cs as added critical. Basic force care. It has replaced service in importance. Marketers must really care about the way they treat customers, meaning that customers are really everything choice. Marketers need to resist the diversity marketing variables, wide and breadth of their offerings into a manageable good, better, best selection. Community. Even national marketers must be affiliated attached to neighborhoods wherever they operate. Stores challenge the task of dealing with the ongoing reality of demographic change. उसके बाद एंड ऑफ द मास मार्केट. ड्यूरिंग द लेट 1990s we witnessed the death of the concept of mass market. Regardless, some marketers continue to argue that database marketing will never replace mass marketing for most products. The view is that communicating with the users by email, website, mail, telephone or fax will never become cost efficient enough to justify the return. However, the success of the internet provides considerable evidence that one-to-one marketing is and will be appropriate for many packaged goods and other high and low involvement products that in the past sold almost exclusively with brand advertising through the 1970s. One high-end retailers and personal service firms could afford to practice one-to-one marketing for the most part. They did it the old-fashioned way with personal selling and index card files. During the 1990s, bookstore chains, supermarkets, warehouse clubs, and even restaurants began to track individual purchase transactions to build their share of the customer. Many of these programs now run on personal computers, platforms, or workstation environment much more powerful than the most capable mainframes of the 1970s. It is possible today to track 5 or 6 million customers for the same real cost as tracking a single customer in 1950 with internal based databases and remote access. This capability literally has exploded in the last few years. This situation will become even interesting as one-to-one marketing becomes even increasingly pervasive with an increasingly powerful array of much more efficient individually interactive vehicles, the options are virtually unlimited, including on site connection, fax, response, email, and interactive television. Connections, fax response, email, and interactive television. Most households today either have direct internet access on with TV sets that also provide real-time interactivity through the internet. We are closing rapidly on the time where individuals will interact with their television and or computer simply by speaking to it. Various websites, computers work for us to enable us to remember transaction and preference and find just the right entertainment, information, products and services.